Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel, Coffee Tea Paper. My name's Louise. We are up to week 34 in our CTP CTP 2024 Calm Journal prompts. Last week we had let your worries drift away like clouds. And although this wasn't an attributed quote or anything really standing out, I still think it's a really nice one. And I enjoyed decorating my pages with the Black Milk Project items. I won't show you right now because I've got my writing in for this week. Yes, I'm actually up to date with that, so that's a good thing. And I know a few of you also watch my ink review videos, and I've done a little short because one of my lovely viewers asked me if I could compare the latest Bayou Berry Mist with Harlequin Dream. So I've done a little short comparing the two of those. So if that's something that also piqued your interest, go and check it out. I'm not actually sure if I can leave a link to it, but it's, somewhere on my channel. So let's put this one away and see what we have for week 34. I'm actually missing doing my kitchen updates, but I've been totally swayed by so many videos that I was watching when I was trying to get ideas for my kitchen about having this idea of changing up the decor in it seasonally. And here in Australia on the 1st of September, we'll be coming into spring. And I thought I might try and change up a couple of things. So let me know if that's something you'd like me to share with you, or whether you're like, no, just stick with the journaling, love. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. So let's see what we have for week 34. Bryant McGill. I think he's one of those like inspirational speaker, TED talker type numbers. I just remember because his name is made up of two friends of ours' surnames. Anyway, let's just read what he is quoted here to have said. Your calm mind is the ultimate weapon against your challenges, so relax. That's an interesting use of language, isn't it? This idea of calmness as a weapon. It's kind of weird. I don't know. Am I the only one who finds it weird? Your calm mind is the ultimate weapon against your challenges. So relax. Yeah, I mean, look, I don't know. It just strikes me as kind of funny. I mean, I guess it's true, isn't it? The more focused you are and you're not letting your mind race all over the place and you're pulled in many directions, then the more likely you are to be able to focus on one thing that is perhaps challenging you, or that you're trying to address. Yeah, interesting. We watch a lot of Marvel movies, and yeah, I can't see any of the Marvel people going, "Oh, my calm mind." Oh, maybe what's that one? What's the Doctor Strange? Is he Doctor Strange? Maybe him. I don't know. Gosh, these cards take us in funny directions sometimes. Um, okay, I'm just gonna have a little pause there. This one's kind of thrown me as to, I mean, look, the obvious thing would to be sort of do those colors, but I think I'm going to think about what calms my mind. Okay, I shall get back to you in a second. I've gone away and I've had a little think, and I just went for a little walk around my lovely kitchen. And I'm not sure the novelty will ever wear off. And I realized that what calms my mind and what's part of my little daily ritual, and some of you will know this from a video I did earlier in the year, is that I like to, in the late afternoon, evening, when it's getting a bit darker, I like to walk around and have a look at my house plants and set up the house for the evening, close the shutters, light a candle, turn on some lamps, look at my plants, um, just kind of set up the house in the evening to be a place of calm and tranquility. We're all busy during the day and out and about, and there's lots of stimulation. And I think it's really nice when we come home as a family and everyone comes to the family home, that it's a place of peace and you can kind of let out that breath of what you've been holding during the day. So that's kind of where I've gone with that. I got these stamps. I was sort of thinking about saving them because I had this idea of setting up. I made a little basket for autumn, and I never made one for winter. And I'm wondering if I should try and readdress it for a spring. Just put some spring things in to make journaling a little bit more spontaneous in a way. But I'm thinking I might pop in some of these. And then I really like this tape that I got from, I think it's Ula Happy Stationery, with these ladies and their house plants. That's, I like that. I like the imagery in it. And then just a few little bits and pieces of papers, this memo pad that I have with the birds on it, because having my birds in the afternoon when I'm also sort of getting the house, or the evening getting the house ready, it's about creating them ready for their bedtime as well. They really need to have an early bedtime. So we might just have that one. I got this from Paper Boat Press. It's a Japanese memo pad. I've got some inks here which kind of reflect a bit of what's on the card, and a little bit on the papers, but yeah, we'll just, as per usual, let's just have a, oh, that's not very good. Let's just have a bit of a play and see where we end up. I am filming this on Friday afternoon, and I do apologise if the birds are a bit twerpy. They're a bit unsettled. We have someone in the house to take a look at our freezer. They had to come with a part that it didn't come with or something. I didn't really understand. And so they had to come and put that in. Okay, my friends, I didn't really like where this was heading at one point. I'm not 100% confident in the colors that I've chosen. I mean, I think the stamp pads, oh, I didn't end up using that one. Maybe that's why. The stamp pads look nice together, and it does look nice with the green as well, but for some reason, it just wasn't really gelling for me. I think adding in this here has helped a bit, but at the same time, yeah, I'm just not super excited about it. But sometimes that just happens. You have a picture in your mind of where you're going, and somewhere along the line, it just goes a bit wrong. Not that it's hideous or anything. I'm just not really sure it gels that well. Maybe it's my writing. Maybe it's that line. I don't know. Maybe I put some washi tape there. I don't know. I'm trying not to do sort of torn edges at the moment. I'm just trying something new for a bit. But sometimes there's a lot of comfort to be found in the familiar. And yes, we might be revisiting that next week. Anyway, as always, thank you so much for being here and for sharing these calm journal prompts with me. I am beginning to think about what I would like to do next year, and if you're interested in coming along on that journey with me, by all means, I will keep you up to date and informed, and we'll see what happens. Till next time, bye.